Welcome guys to another video of this series, the RGB lesson. We're gonna do simple stuff, simple components, resistance, and jumper cables. And this, we're gonna use one RGB line, and we're gonna connect it to breadboard. Two is gonna be for the Raspberry Pi, and another one gonna give the power to the light. The two is gonna send a message, and then the other one is gonna provide the power to the LED. Has no RGB. RGB means red, green, and blue. And then with the three lights, you're gonna change it to different colors. It depends on your coding. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna check if it's correct. The shortest one is gonna be the power. So we're gonna connect it on the breadboard, and after that we're gonna put the resistance on the breadboard, and then if you want, you can put it on the sides, the upper sides. That's where you're gonna get all the cables all messed it up, and then the two resistance is gonna put a little high end on the top, and then one cable that's gonna provide the power, and then the two resistance, the 220 resistance. And then after that, we're gonna connect these two jumper cables to the Raspberry Pi. And then one is gonna go to the power supply, and then the two ones are gonna go to the pins numbers, which is gonna help send the information to the line, the coding. And then we're gonna connect it right here. We got all three cables, almost three cables. And then after that, we're gonna connect the four cables to the jumper cable. After this connection, it's gonna be R. Means we are all connected correctly. One is gonna go to the power supply, and the rest of the cables is gonna go to the pin numbers. After that, we're gonna connect this to the Raspberry Pi before going to the coding section. So we're gonna connect it carefully. One is gonna be to the 3.3 voltage. We will put 5 is gonna make chance to get burn the RGB, and the rest is gonna be 10, 11, 12. We're gonna connect all these three pins, and then after that, we're gonna go to the coding section, the most important part. After that, we're gonna do it correctly, because you don't have to. Because if you put it on the wrong connections pin, when you do your coding, it's gonna send you an error. Just have to connect it correctly. This is the final good thing. I'm gonna show like that. All three pins, one to the power supply, and it's gonna get ready. Let's go to the computer and write the code. So now we run the Linux Commander 9 from Linux and Ubuntu. Right here, we're gonna write the code. Always double check your coding, because it's explained very many looking for the errors, and then there were simple errors, which they were the big, but it was like simple basic Python coding errors. As I didn't put parentheses for a number to define a section. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna check. So we name all the pins, and after that we're gonna start putting a mix of colors to able to get different colors on the RGB. So we're gonna do this. Around the timeline is gonna be around, the coding line is gonna be around 60 lines of code for these simple color changes. We're gonna do this, and after that we're gonna double run the program. If it works correctly, now we're gonna go back, check the mistakes, and spend almost 10 minutes searching for errors, and then there were just simple mistakes on this coding part. So we are almost one part of the coding part done. Right. Always double check. It is a line, check your work. After that, another thing. It's like writing code is almost writing an essay for your English class, but now you need to write a code for your program able to run correctly. We're gonna do this, and then after that we're gonna start changing the signs and start mixing the colors. We're gonna use purple, white, blue, green, but the colors is up to you. You can change the colors. The only thing you need to search on the website, the color coding series. Each color has different color, and then that way how to put it correctly. If not, it's gonna give you an error on your coding when you're still running the program. Always double check if you have the pin correctly. After that, we're gonna finish almost half of these, and we're gonna run, and we're gonna see the colors, how they change to different colors. It depends on time. When we have very slow motion, fast motion, depends on the time you want to pull 0.5 seconds, and then I pull 3 seconds, and then I put 10. Depends how long you want, is up to you, and it depends on the project you want to do. We're almost done writing this code. We're almost putting all the defined sections. The best thing about Python, you pull defined groups, and then you can pull one section divided by 2, and then at the end you run the main program. It means it's gonna jump onto the defined start run. Almost done. I'm gonna double check our work after that, and see which errors are and which errors fix before running again the program, and double check. So we almost finished doing this coding section, and then we're gonna go back to our desk to see how the color change, different colors. Almost putting almost the final coding lines. So I run sections, and we're gonna go to our desktop to see how it's gonna change different colors in the 0.5 voltage. It's blue, red, green, yellow, pink, blue, and this is when the lights are on. That's my camera when I'm without white too. And then we're gonna show you another example of slow motion. Not slow motion, but this time it's time change, because I change it to slow time. We got yellow, purple. That's all for this video. I hope you like it.